कैसी हैं कारा? क्यारा?
मैं मैं ठीक हूँ और आप कैसी है?
मैं भी ठीक ठाक। और आज आप क्या करना चाहती हैं?
मैं काम करूँगी, मैं एडिटिंग करूँगी।
और आप स्कूल जाएंगी आज?
नहीं, मगर मैं बुक एडिटिंग करूँगी।
आज आज आप क्या करेंगी?
मैं बच्चे लूँगी,
यस, स्कूल से।
समर कैंप से।
राइट। और आज आप क्लास में क्या करना चाहती हैं? क्लास में मीन्स ड्यूरिंग द क्लास। क्लास में क्या करना चाहती हैं?
आज क्लास में मैं लिखना चाहती हूँ।
जी। और पढ़ना पढ़ना चाहती हैं?
जी,
ठीक है। तो हम एक कहानी पढ़ेंगे। कहानी इज़ अ स्टोरी। कहानी पढ़ेंगे, छोटी सी कहानी।
ओके,
जी जी।
अच्छा।
ठीक है। ओरियो कहाँ है?
ऑडियो मेरा घर में है।
जी। कमरे में है?
नहीं, मगर वो मेरे लिए सोई।
Got it. So you're saying that he slept for me?
He slept with me last night.
Right. मेरे साथ.
Okay, वो मेरे साथ आज रात सोई।
Got it. तो चले रीडिंग करते हैं. सो चले रीडिंग करते हैं मीन्स लेट्स रीड. चले रीडिंग करते हैं. ठीक है. तो मैं वाइट बोर्ड पर जा रही हूँ. क्या आप वाइट बोर्ड देख सकती हैं?
ओके जी।
ओके. चलें पढ़ना शुरू करें.
आप शेयर चाहती है?
शेयर करना. जी, मैं शेयर कर सकती हूँ. ठीक है. सही. तो हम पेज नंबर 67 पर हैं. क्या आप ये पेज देख सकती हैं?
ओके,
ठीक है. तो हम अभी पहली लाइन पढ़ेंगे.
मेरा नाम सीमा
यस,
है।
एग्जैक्टली.
है।
यस.
मैं अम, मैं खर खर खरनल।
यस. के बाद काफ के बाद वाव है. काफ वाव.
अ, अम, खर 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 that lam at the end, right?
एग्जैक्टली. यस. सो कॉर और बाकी सेम है. बाकी इज रेस्ट ऑफ वाज राइट. रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ड. सो कॉर एंड देन.
Kernal.
एग्जैक्टली, कॉर्नेल.
Oh, right. Cornell में
जी.
Cornell में पढ़ना पढ़नी हूँ।
यस. सो बेसिकली एक दो डॉट्स हैं यहाँ पर.
तो पढ़नी हूँ।
दिस. सो देयर टू डॉट्स.
पढ़ती हूँ।
एग्जैक्टली. यस.
पढ़ती हूँ। कॉर्नेल बहुत खूबसूरत यूनिवर्सिटी
यस.
है।
यस.
Um,
Okay, so this in the end, it's a bit tricky. Can you isolate the letters?
Oh, is it meme? And then
This is this one.
the much
Exactly. Yes, yes. Muj.
मुझको कुरनेल बहुत बहुत पस, पसंद है
Yes. Perfect. मुझको
मेरा
कर्नेल बहुत पसंद है.
बहुत पसंद है
जी.
मेरा मेरा जान मेरा जान
So
is that
the first letter is like this with a dot.
ha,
Kha. Exactly. Kha.
खान खानदान
Yes.
मेरा खानदान भी
Yes.
न्यू न्यूयॉर्क
Very nice. बहुत खूब.
न्यूयॉर्क में is that a ray?
Yes.
रहा था
जी.
है
Yes.
मेरी मेरी वालर
Walid.
वालिद
Yes. And here, this is badi ye.
मेरे
Yes.
मेरे वालिद सा सा
So this is hey and then it's be.
सा
Exactly.
सा
Yes. Sahab means Mr. or Sir. It's like a sign of respect to say Sahab after anything. Sahab. Usually
Sahab.
reserved for men.
Okay. Sahab. Par, paru, is that kaf?
This is fa. Fa. So pro and then it's like this. So fa.
Tawaf.
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Para, professor.
Exactly.
प्रोफेसर है और मेरी वालदा
Very nice. Walida is mother.
मेरी वालदा घर में काम करती है
Very good.
मेरे
Yes.
मेरे is that lam?
No. So the first letter is like this, like a squiggly thing, and then this, and then
the meme.
exactly. Yes.
मेरे mab
Ma.
mabab
Ma. Bab.
mabab
Yes. Ma bab. That means parents.
मेरे माँ बाप हर
जी.
साल पाकिस्तान जाते हैं
Yes. So this letter has 3 dots underneath. So Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान जाते हैं
जी.
कमर
Okay, so this one, so there's this again meme and this letter, and then there is this letter.
मगर
Very good.
मगर में on okay
Yes. Actually, this is
on
just one word.
के साथ
Very good.
नहीं जा सकते
Okay, so this one, there is this, and then like this. Exactly. जा सकती.
जा सकती क्योंकि
Exactly, which is a conjunction because.
क्योंकि मैं
This one is
आस
difficult.
आस तो rand
A dent. Student.
student.
Yeah.
Oh,
English words are normally a bit difficult.
yes, it has alif at the beginning.
Yeah.
Student. हूँ
Yes.
और मैं हर वक्त
Yes.
मसवाक
Must.
मस
This letter is missing.
मसर
Yes.
मसरक
Masroof.
oh masroof
Yes.
which means
Busy. Masroof. मैं मसरूफ हूँ means I'm busy.
masroof
Yeah.
रहती हूँ
Perfect.
मुझे
Yes.
मुझे
Yes.
आज भी बहुत करना
Very
करना
nice. Yes.
करना है
Yes. That means, what does that mean?
because I have to study
Yeah.
a lot.
A lot. Yeah. Today as well. Like, bhi means too. Today too. Or today as well. I have to study a lot.
कर कर
Yes.
एक एक महा
Okay. Let me. Yes. Let me write this word here. So it's like this, and then like a balloon shaped letter, and like this. It's a bit different. Like, I don't think this word is something you're familiar with. So, would you like to read it?
Mahaman.
Yes. This letter is like sword.
Mush.
Muz.
Mazman.
Exactly. That means an essay, an article, or yeah, essay or an article. Mazmoon. It also means subject.
Mazmoon.
Yeah. So what that means is padkar ek mazmoon. Like padkar means after reading.
Okay. पढ़कर मजमून लेखना
Exactly.
लेखना मजमून
Oh, this is the word you missed.
है
Exactly. Exactly. पढ़कर एक मजमून लिखना है. That means after reading, I have to write an essay.
मजमून लिख लिख कर लिख कर मैं वा
Okay.
वो dal or a
Yeah.
wow?
Yes, and in the middle there is another letter between dal and wow.
Which is
This one.
a chati
Yes.
chati
Choti ye.
chati.
Exactly.
So the Dawi
Devi. Devi. Devi is a Hindu name. Devi.
Dewi Dewi ke
Yes.
gar gar ja ja oh Jawan Jawangi
Yes. Jaungi.
oh Jaungi
Yes.
Jaungi
This noon is actually basically it is the noon huna.
Jaungi.
Jaung.
Okay. That's wow, right?
Yes. This
Wow.
one. This one. Are you talking about this one?
Yeah.
It is dal. In the beginning, dal.
De Dewi.
Exactly, Devi.
Oh,
So
it's the same name. I see. Devi.
yeah.
Devi. Devi. Mary.
Yes.
Mary Sahai.
Okay, so in the middle there is this long thing.
Which is lam with.
Exactly. Yes.
So Sahali.
Very good. Saheli. Saheli is a female friend. Saheli.
Mary Saheli hai.
Exactly. What does that mean?
She's my friend.
Yes.
Will be um will be car code Cornell.
Yeah, very good. Cornell.
Cornell में
Yes.
हर हर रही पढ़ रही है.
Very good. What does that mean?
She's studying Cornell.
As well. B means she too studies in Cornell. Or
My
studied.
goodness. All these people in their fancy university.
I swear, like, how did they get admission?
Let's pick a normal university.
But I guess because Cornell is so famous and popular, that's why they put Cornell here. It's so difficult to go to get Cornell. She must be very smart. Or
Yeah.
fictional.
Or just very connected to the right people.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, wo han. Is that dal or re?
This is dal. I don't know why they present it like this, but it is dal.
Wo Hindustan.
Hindustan. So
Hindustan.
yeah, Hindustan is India basically.
Is what?
India, Hindustan.
Oh.
Yeah.
वो हिंदुस्तान से है.
Exactly.
वो उस.
So there is a diacritic under alif, so it's is.
वो इस. That's wow, I assume.
Exactly. It's wow, qaf, and te.
वक्त
Very nice.
हम कर कर रही है
Yes.
हम कर करके huh?
Yes. Kaam karke. That means after work.
Oh, काम काम करके वो मेरी मेरी से
Liye. So this is basically Hamza. Mere liye.
मेरे लिए
Yes.
खाना खाना पाक पाकल
So this is pakana in the past form. Oh, sorry, not past form. It's in the future form.
पकाए
Yes.
पकाए
Yes. Pakaye. Very good. वो मेरे लिए खाना पकाए.
पकाएगी
Yes. What does that mean?
that after work she would eat with me.
Yes. She will pakana. What is pakana?
Actually, I don't know.
Cook.
Oh, cook me,
Yeah.
right?
So
Okay.
she will make. So she'll make food for her. She'll make dinner for her.
वो बहुत मज मजीर okay, oh dal.
Yes.
Mazidar.
Exactly. Mazedar. Mazedar means, what does mazedar mean?
Is that like a good cook?
Exactly. Like delicious, tasty.
वो बहुत मजेदार खाना खाना बनाए
बनाती है.
बनाती है
Exactly.
हम
Yes.
दवा दवाना दवाना
So do, and then the letter is, what is the letter? Noon.
दान दोनों
Exactly. Dono.
हम दोनों को वाल or is that दाल
Exactly. Dal.
दाल और राती
Exactly. Roti.
roti.
Dal or roti.
What is that?
Dal and roti is like, dal is lentil soup. That's very typical to South Asian cuisine. We eat it. It's like a comfort food. And roti is a flatbread.
Okay. बहुत पसंद है
Exactly. Very nice.
हम हर
Har.
run ras
Yes. So the wow sound is like O. Rose. Rose.
Oh.
Hum har rose.
हम हर रोज शाम को खाना खा कर
Yes.
oh boy, this
This
word
is difficult. Let me put it in a different page, right? Because it's so difficult. Okay, so first letter is this. Can you recognize this letter?
I don't remember what it's called, but I think it's the Z sound.
It's like this.
T?
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Okay, so teen.
Yes.
Teens.
Exactly. Tennis.
Tennis.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I hate to make English words in Urdu.
They're the most difficult part.
Ah,
Okay. Tennis.
okay. Tennis.
Yes.
Tennis. Kal. Kalne. Kalni.
Okay, so this is a letter like this with two dots. So noon has a
Oh,
letter like this. Like it has one dot, whereas this letter has two dots.
but I'm confused because I don't see the second dot.
Uh, are you talking about this?
No, I'm talking about after tennis.
Oh, can you point it out? So it's ka, ha, ye.
I think we're at different points.
Yeah, I guess you're talking about this.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess that's what I did. We were here, and I thought in the beginning we were here, but then now we are back on the previous line. This one.
Which is kalti
Yes,
kalti.
exactly. So हम हर रोज शाम को खाना खाकर टेनिस खेलती हैं. What does that mean?
Oh, I see. Because they have tennis right after that too. That's why I got confused.
Exactly. Yes.
So it's saying Rose is
Every day.
like every day.
Yes.
So you wait. Read it one more time.
हम हर रोज शाम को खाना खाकर टेनिस खेलती हैं.
So after eating every day, we play tennis.
In the evening. Okay, amazing. So let's do it from here.
So tennis, and then this is the word I was trying to figure out. Tennis, kal, kalni,
खेलने.
Khalne.
Yes.
Tennis khalne ki ja
So first letter is ba.
bahar.
Bad.
Oh, bad. Oh, that's
Yes.
dal.
Yes.
So what am I gonna-
खेलने के बाद.
खेलने के बाद हम the one oh dono
Very nice. Dono means we both. हम दोनों. We both.
हम दोनों थी.
This is one word.
Oh, tea. Is that wow?
Yes.
हम दोनों tiwi.
Yes.
What does tiwi mean?
TV.
Oh, TV. TV. TV देखती है.
Exactly. So what does that mean?
We both watch TV.
Exactly. Okay.
मेरा पसंद. Wait, no. मेरा पसंद.
Yes. So far,
Yeah.
so then ye.
Yada.
Exactly, but this is one word.
Pasand yada.
Pasandida. Very much like a Spanish word. Pasandida.
Pasandida.
What does that mean?
Pasand. My favorite?
Yes, exactly. Mera pasandida.
मेरा पसंदीदा फर वाग no Parog Ram.
Amazing. Yes, program.
Oh, program. Oh dear. Um. uh. No.
Oh, this is a
I
difficult one actually. I will write it down here.
confused between whether there's one dot and two dots on the top if it's
Yeah.
ga or.
Okay, so the first letter, do you recognize?
Is that gaf or gaf?
This one?
Yeah.
I'll
Or
fa.
oh, okay. So far,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
faryan, far.
Friends.
What?
Yeah. So it's fa, ra, far, ye, nun, yen, ds. Friends.
Oh, okay.
आपने फ्रेंड्स देखा है?
नहीं,
मैंने भी नहीं.
मुझे पसंद नहीं है.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't understand. No offense to people like friends who like friends, but it's just it's the पीछे हंस रहे होते हैं. हंसना is to laugh. हंसना बहुत annoying है. Like the people in the backgrounds who are laughing the whole time. It can get annoying.
I find most American shows annoying, to be honest.
What about आपका पसंदीदा मज़ाहिया शो क्या है? मज़ाहिया is funny.
Okay, Schitt's Creek मुझे पसंद थे.
Oh my god! I can't believe you said that. I thought you I thought you don't watch any shows. I'm so
I
happy
don't
you
watch
said.
shows, but sometimes I watch it with my brothers.
Yeah.
So
मुझे
मैं
शिट्स
मेरे
क्रीक
भाई
बहुत पसंद है.
जी मेरे भाई के साथ Schitt's Creek देखती हूँ.
Lovely. I swear. बहुत
और और Kim's Convenience मुझे पसंद है.
But that is American and you don't find it annoying.
No, but that's different. It's Kim's Convenience is more well, Schitt's Creek and Kim's Convenience are both funny families, so
Yeah.
I find that funny.
Yeah. आपको
Yeah,
मॉडर्न फैमिली पसंद है? मॉडर्न फैमिली?
Modern Family नहीं देखती हूँ.
परफेक्ट. ठीक है, आखिरी लाइन पढ़ते हैं.
Where was I? Oh yeah, Friends है. Okay.
जी.
Up.
So this word,
Oh, ach.
exactly.
Acha.
Very nice.
It's kind of like a filler. Acha.
Yeah, it's like okay, fine, all right.
Acha. Ab. Munchi.
मुझे.
मुझे जाना है.
Yes.
I have to go.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay. Is that dal?
It's a no. It's like this.
So it's dal after.
Yes, yes, it's dal after.
Had khada.
Yes, khuda. Khuda is God.
Khuda. Half. Hafiz.
Exactly. Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz.
Amazing. So what does that mean?
Is that like goodbye?
Exactly. Amazing.
Khuda Hafiz.
तो Kara, sorry, I'm always mispronounce your name. I'm so sorry. Oh God, Kara sounds so ugly. Like, why do I say
I
Kara?
know. Kara. It's like a music.
क्या आपने बहुत अच्छा पढ़ा आज
शुक्रिया.
और आपका क्या प्लान है वीकेंड पर
ये वीकेंड मैं अपनी अम्मी के साथ न्यूपोर्ट जाऊंगी.
जाऊंगी yes because you're saying I'll go with my mother so the ending will be
Why?
only yeah जी न्यूपोर्ट में क्या करेंगी
न्यूपोर्ट रोड आइलैंड में है और बहुत खूबसूरत है. शॉप्स दुकान है और I don't know how to say beach actually.
समंदर or you can say साहिल समंदर means beach साहिल ए समंदर साहिल समंदर
साहिल ए समंदर है.
yes साहिल समंदर है साहिल समंदर
साहिल ए समंदर.
exactly आप तैरेंगी तैरना is to swim आप तैरेंगी
नहीं मैं नहीं तैरूंगी. मगर मैं वॉक करना चाहती हूँ और क्योंकि मैं अगस्त 16 स्विट्जरलैंड जाऊंगी.
जी अगस्त 16 को
अगस्त 16 को स्विट्जरलैंड जाऊंगी क्योंकि मैं अपनी अम्मी के साथ वॉक चाहती हूँ.
so क्योंकि means because so you say इसलिए that is why मैं अपनी
I always
अम्मी I know मैं अपनी अम्मी के साथ वॉक करना चाहती हूँ
walked चाहती like I want time walked चाहती हूँ.
वक्त चाहती हूँ ओके वक्त चाहती हूँ और you can also say वक्त गुजारना चाहती हूँ I want to spend time मैं वक्त गुजारना चाहती हूँ
वक्त गुजारना चाहती हूँ.
oh I'm so excited for you to go to Switzerland
Yeah, me too.
send me lots and lots of pictures I actually enjoy vicariously it was so lovely talking to you Kara and we'll see you later have a good weekend and goodbye okay we're not actually ending the lesson
You're gonna have to edit that a lot.
not really I don't have to edit it a lot
Recording stopped.
okay I hope it's saved now